Welcome to Vanlife Cooking, where today we're gonna make tiramisu.
Right?
This is stupid good. So, for tiramisu, you need a couple of things. Amaretto, ladyfingers, or mini savoiardi di Sardegna. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Sugar, cacao. How do you say cacao in English?
Cacao.
Cacao.
It doesn't
Cocoa?
focus. I'm trying. Yes.
Cacao? Cacao. And eggs. Eggs. Yeah? Did you get
No.
it? And eggs. Eggs.
It's not. Yes.
And I'm 100% sure I'm forgetting something. These videos are not meant to be
Mascarpone.
perfect. Mascarpone. Mascarpone. Got it?
Yes.
Mascarpone. I read somewhere that you need to get this out of the fridge half an hour before you start. So, who cares? All right, what now? Okay, I've never done this before, so I'm gonna look some stuff up. I have learned how to make tiramisu in the Italian kitchen where we worked from our friend and chef Silvio. So big shout out to him for teaching me. But he made like 25 tiramisu cups and I'm gonna make 2. So I don't know the amounts, and maybe roll in the B-roll of Silvio now, and I'm gonna look some stuff up. We're gonna make the tiramisu in this, but just to show you, it can be a very nice campervan Vanlife recipe. I also want to try to make mini tiramisu in this cup. We should start with eggs.
You're forgetting one really important ingredient.
What is it?
Coffee.
Dude, we should start making the coffee. I don't know how much amaretto goes into the recipe. Internet doesn't tell me anything. So I'm gonna wing it. I think I'm gonna do 60 centiliters. Is that a lot?
I don't know.
I don't know. Let's see.
Ruin the taste with amaretto. I don't know if that is even possible.
This is 30 and this is 60.
Yeah, that's probably more than enough.
Good thing about our kitchen is we can hide our dishes. Goodbye. Okay, let's make a little ladyfinger station. Just put them in quick. Ooh, they get soft real fast, so move them. Okay, so this is the bottom row. I see a lot of recipes where they do multiple rows, like a lasagna. It depends on how much egg stuff we have, how much cream.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't know. I'm gonna finish the cups first.
That will fit perfectly. So this is to show you guys that you can even do this in your own van, even if you don't have like a big box. You can just put it into cups, like that.
Squish them in. I'm gonna save this for later. If we have more cream than we thought, we can make multiple layers, but for now I'm gonna do 1 row. Now comes the tricky part. We're gonna split the eggs into yolks and egg whites. But splitting eggs is not something I do every day. I'm in doubt if I've ever done it.
I'm very impressed that it actually works.
Me too. Now we're gonna add some sugar to the egg yolks. These are the yolks.
Yolk.
Yolk. So I'm having a hard time mixing the yolks, but it's not super thick. I don't know what to do, and our mixer is getting very hot, so I don't know. I'm just gonna mix the mascarpone with it.
Oh, nice.
So the last bit of sugar is mixed into the mascarpone egg yolk mix. And now I'm gonna pour it over the ladyfingers. And I think we have enough to do more layers, right?
Yes.
Okay, so the last step is to cover them with cocoa powder, and but we're gonna do that later because now it needs to be in the fridge to get a little bit more stiff, and then you're gonna have this nice tiramisu structure, I hope, because we're not sure. Our mixer isn't the best, and I don't know, the eggs didn't work as we thought they would, so
But it looks really nice.
fingers crossed. Yeah. So now we'll wait until the afternoon, I think.
Yeah, I think so too.
All right, so the tiramisu has been in the fridge for a couple of hours now. We're gonna check how it is. Isn't fluid anymore, so that's nice. It stays in one place. So now the only thing we need to do is put on some cocoa. We're gonna do that with a little sieve. We're gonna spread it nicely.
So this is also how we made the dessert on the campsite.
We make sure to cover the whole thing. All right, let's taste it.
Ooh. But those layers are pretty nice, right?
Awesome. All right, let's have some tiramisu.
Right, so it's falling apart, but it's the taste that matters, right?
Is it good?
That's which you have to taste it.
There we go. Buon appetito.
Right?
This is stupid good. Wow.
It's so nice.
With a nice view.
With a view. I mean, look at that.
Cheers. Before I forget, this was the first episode of Vanlife Cooking. We're gonna make a lot more. I think next video we'll do the beetroot pasta. If you want to see more recipes you can make in a van, be sure to follow along, hit the subscribe button and get notified for new recipes. Oh, and the recipe is going to be in the description.
Bye.